grew up in Beaver Dam, Wisconsin, a small town outside of Madison, capital of Wisconsin. And studying engineering always seemed like a foregone conclusion for me. I was one of those kids that liked to take everything in the house apart, much to the consternation of my parents, figure out how things work, build things. And I grew up in the construction industry, my father's business. So I was always very hands-on, very mechanically inclined, and so when it came time to decide what I was going to study, engineering seemed like the logical choice. I had a strong interest in science and math, and it really worked out well for me. Well, when I was finishing up my 5th year at Michigan Tech, 3 of them being quality academic output and 2 of them being kind of a waste of space, I began looking at companies, and I had a lot of really interesting offers. Michigan Tech, just given its location here in the Midwest, at the time was heavily driven by the automotive industry, so there was a lot of recruiting going on from the big 3 and certainly all the suppliers. And I spoke to a number of them, but at the end of the day, when I spoke to Rockwell Automation, it became clear to me that working for Rockwell allowed me to work in all industries as opposed to picking one. So as a function of their role supplying industrial automation, technology and components to most major sectors of the manufacturing industry, I felt like it gave me a great platform to learn a lot about not just one area of manufacturing, but to really see the entirety of the manufacturing processes here in North America, which, of course, over the 20 years that I spent at Rockwell, I had the opportunity to do. I traveled the world and worked in multiple different segments of manufacturing on many different styles and types of machinery and many different industrial processes. So it turned out to be a pretty good choice for me.